Feast and famine, that was pretty much sums up our snow chances over the last 24 hours. The northern half of the state getting about 1.5 to 2 inches. Some of the far northern reaches of the state closer to about 2 to 3 inches, but the majority of us nil, at least here in the southern half of the state. Madison not really receiving much of anything, maybe a few light flurries. Watertown maybe 0.4 of an inch of snowfall, though temperatures were near and above freezing at times earlier on today, likely melting the majority of that. As of right now, that system responsible for those snow chances still slowly pushing further off to the east. You can see all that heavier snowfall out towards Ottawa, Toronto, Michigan catching some of that lake effect snowfall. But here at home, that low pressure churning, yes, cloud cover slowly departing eastward. We're still dealing with some scattered snow showers just north and east of Madison, out towards Columbia County. But for now, quiet conditions across the majority of the state, cold conditions. Temperatures down into the teens for the majority of us as of right now. It's 19 Madison, 16 Wausau, La Crosse, 12, down to 9 already in Eau Claire. In fact, check this out. Temperatures changing drastically over the last 24 hours. Many of us between 10 to nearly 20 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday at the same time. And we're going to continue to see that mercury on the decline. It's all thanks to that low pressure system to our north, those strong northwesterly winds, and yes, the bitterly cold air flowing in on the back edge of that system. In fact, after reaching high temperatures today near the freezing mark across much of the state, we'll see overnight low temperatures in the single digits. It will fall to 3 in Madison, Wausau, 4 below Eau Claire. The same story, La Crosse, about 2. But once you factor those winds into the equation tomorrow morning, we are talking potentially dangerous wind chill values. We're talking negative 15 to negative 30 degree wind chill values across the state. Frostbite can occur in as little as 15 to 30 minutes with conditions such as this. So if you don't have to be out and about early tomorrow morning, simply don't, or at least just have that nice hot cup of coffee ready to go. Negative 2 in Eau Claire. These are actual air temperatures right around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 in Madison, 4 in La Crosse. Closer to our lunch hour, seeing temperatures in the double digits for some, others not so lucky. 5 in Eau Claire, Wausau right around 3, Madison about 14, La Crosse about 11 degrees around that time. So we see a good amount of sunshine early on, but notice some added cloud cover as the day wears on. Partially cloudy to mostly cloudy skies during the second half of the day. High temperatures reaching the single digits for the Northwoods. Wausau right around 5 degrees, up to 13 Tuesday, Wednesday 21, Thursday into the 30s. We'll see that gradual warm up in Eau Claire as well, 7 there tomorrow, 13 in La Crosse on Monday, Wednesday 27, Thursday 39. Look at that, high temperatures on Friday, back into the 40s. So yes, a bitterly cold stretch of weather, a high temperature of just 14 in Madison tomorrow, but we're down to negative 1. Wind chill values Monday night, down near negative 20 once again. Tuesday, a high temperature of 14. Wednesday, 24, 38 degrees on Thursday, followed by a high temperature of 42. But look at next Sunday, another drop in temperature, a high temperature of just 8 next Sunday afternoon.